Finally, nalinis na po natin yung kuhol o ledeg sa amin sa Ilocano na nabili ko. At marami nga pong nag-comment nung nakaraan nung nagtanong ako kung anong masarap na luto. At lahat yon ay natikman ko na. Kaya isinadjust ng aking asawa na why don't you try na ipakita sa inyo yung Thai style naman ng pagluluto ng kuhol. Ginataan din, kaya meron tayong gata. Ito yung kanilang kakang gata at yung pangalawang piga. At kakaiba at napakasarap at healthy dahil meron pong betel leaf na kasama at itong parang ipil-ipil o tinatawag nilang shoom or Thai acacia. Ito po yung parang ipil-ipil na may tinik na mabango. So itong dalawang dahon po na ito ang magpapabango at magpapasarap at magtatanggal sa lansa ng kuhol. Meron din tayong chili paste at ito po ay meron ng mga ricado katulad ng tanglad, bawang sibuyas at sili at yung iba pang mga herbs na pampabango din. Kakanggata, maglalagay lang po muna tayo ng kaunti. Dito po sa Thailand, hindi sila nagigisa. Tignan nyo po kung paano sila maggataan o magluto ng kanilang mga curry. Ayan, kapag nagbubuo-buo na po yung gata o kumukulo na, saka natin ilalagay yung ating chili paste na may mga ricado. Ganyan po sila maggisa, hindi sila naglalagay ng mantika. Pagmamantikahin po natin ito o hanggang sa bumango. At yung resulta niya ay mas masarap pa kesa ginisa. At habang hinihintay po natin, ihanda na natin itong mga gulay. Ganyan nila pinapak dahil nga po merong tinik dito. At hihimayin natin isa-isa, ganyan. Yan. Ang sarap po nito at napakabango. Marami na akong cooking video na niluluto ito at kinakain. At marami nga pong nagsasabi na ipil-ipil daw. Pero hindi po siya ipil-ipil dahil magkaiba ang amoy lasa at meron itong tinik. At yung puno po nito ay mabababa lang. Ayan, usually hindi po ako nagluluto ng weekend dahil lagi kaming lumalabas. Pero dahil nga cravings namin ang kuhol, kaya magpapatulong ako sa kanya kasi ang hirap palang ihanda. Ayan, okay na po yung ating chili paste. Nagmamantika na. Kaya ilalagay na po natin yung pangalawang piga. Pakuluan lang natin. Ito naman, dadahon-dahonin lang natin. Ang bango ka umami. Ganyan. Tsaka natin hihiwain ng maliliit na ganyan. Marami nga po palang nagtatanong minsan sa aking mga pagluluto ng Thai food, saan daw nabibili itong mga ganitong klase ng paste na ginagamit namin sa mga curry. So, yung ginamit ko po kanina ay galing sa palengke, pero kahit po sa mga 7-Eleven ay kompleto sila. Iba't ibang klase ng curry paste, merong green curry, sour curry, ayan, kompleto na at pwedeng-pwede po itong iuwi sa Pilipinas dahil silyado at maganda yung packaging. Kuhol! Lagyan na po natin ng patis. At betchin. Yan, marami po silang magbetchin dito sa Thailand. Kumukulo na mga kaumami. I-half cook lang natin. At ilalagay na natin ang gulay. Ay, ang bango na niya. Haluin natin. Saka ko naman ilalagay ang natitirang gata. Ayan, sobrang kulong-kulo na. Luto na po ito at tikman ko lang kung okay na yung lasa. Ayan, finally, makakakain na po tayo ng kuhol. Let's eat! Ito po yung paborito kong luto ng kuhol nila dito.
Soup ka na?
Let's try the soup first. Sarap.
Alright.
Ang sarap. Siyempre, yung dahon-dahon.
Duwi na.
Sarap.
Chop pak.
Ah! Ang sarap po ng ganitong mga gulay.
Chop pak.
Ang sarap. Love.
Ja. Hindi kin pak ka na. Ini pak.
Mabango po yung mga gulay nila. Yummy.
Pinoy mang.
Wait lang. May nakain akong takip. Let's sultop together, Daddy. Sultop is soup.
Yeah.
Teka lang.
Diba?
Ang bilis mo na magsultop.
Alright.
The hoy is not overcooked, no? Hoy is kuhol. In Ilocano, we call this ledeg. Can you say it?
Ledeg.
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 Ledeg. Sa inyo pong probinsya, anong tawag ang ganitong kuhol? Ay, ang sarap. I don't need my spoon na.
Good.
Dugdug. We usually buy this in the market na luto na, no? But we're not sure if clean. That's why, sinubukan naman namin magluto. Yun nga, ang dami naming away sa paglilinis. Aroy, magrap.
อร่อย
Grabe.
I can eat only one stroke
How?
จุบเดียวเนี่ย
Sana all.
นะก็ไม่ได้
Ano to, paligsahan? I can do it too. Ay? Nauuna yung takip.
อร่อย
Natatawa ako kaya hindi ko masultop. Daddy, ba't ang hirap? Masyadong malaki yung butas dati because
เพราะว่า
if
เนี่ยรูเล็ก
no, if you put ayan na naman tayo. If you make only little hole, the force is stronger. Tama ba ako?
ไม่ใช่
Yung pagsultop natin ganun, mas malakas yung force. Ang sarap. And it's aroy because we clean na.
ใช่
Alam nating malinis kasi.
100% safe
I brush it one by one, you know. Yes, binrush ko po isa-isa. Ayun, nagkusa na. Kasi nga, binili ko sa isang lola na nakaupo sa bangketa. Hindi naman natin alam kung saan nila kinuha. Sarap. Yung anghang niya, slight lang. I'm scared to chup-chup lang the cover, matatid ko pa.
don't จุบ in your lung
How?
just จุบ in your mouth like a holiday you จุบ in your tongue in your lung เหรอไม่ใช่
Di ba?
นี่ I will teach you only จุบ in your mouth
Akala ko hanggang sa
you
loob.
taste
Look na.
ไม่ใช่นี่ดู
Tukแล้ว
Mm.
Kasi nga, tama naman yung ginagawa ko. Testing nga. Testing in my lips. Para, so I can feel. So I can feel how to chup-chup, di ba? Dapat may actual na tawag dito? Training. Napakasarap.
อร่อยเนาะ very มาสลา
What else do you do to your how else do you cook your kuhol?
ก็สตีมไง
Steam.
สตีมแล้วก็ซีฟู้ดนั่น I never have experience the
Pumasok yung kuko.
the lid in your lung
Yeah. Pumasok yung kuko sa lalamunan. When I was a child, I'm so magaling. Kulang sa practice. Hindi, natatawa kasi ako. Hindi ako makapag-concentrate.
ซุปก็อร่อย
Ang sarap.
ผู้ห้อง2 กิโลกรัมเนาะ
Yeah. 2 kilogram and 1 kilogram gata. Pwede, no?
Sorry, I like more spicy หรือว่า we eat with our child เนาะ
Yeah. Baka po hindi makapag-chup-chup yung aming mga anak. Pero usually, pinagtututpick namin sila. Ayaw. Ang sarap ng sabaw. Grabe. You're so magaling in chup-chupping.
Yes.
Chupping. So magaling. Sanay na sanay. Napapasobrang chup-chup ko. Yung kuko niya pupunta sa lalamunan.
I like this vegetable very much
Thai acacia or shaom.
with หอย
Ang bango. Okay. Gumagaling na ako. Gumagaling na ako, Gab. I can do it one attempt. Look. Di ba? Nung bata ako, ang galing ko mag-chop-chop ng ganito. We go to the rice field and get this hoi.
เดี๋ยวฟิลิปปินส์ใช่ไหม
Yeah, with my father and my sisters.
อืม
When
It's
I'm
better now if we can harvest by ourselves.
Mhm.
We can choose only the big one.
Can we go next time? Ba't wala tayong rice field?
อันนี้ we buy from market มี mix ไง mix size มี small มี big
Ay kapag when you pick by yourself, you can choose, no? Only big, no? Sino po sa inyo naka-experience ng manghuli ng mga hoi? Did you experience that when you were
no
in your younger?
I don't have farm.
Sana all my farm, kami my farm.
Yes, when we go Philippines เนาะ
Yeah.
we found a lot of หอย
No, I think this hoi is from river, ไม่ใช่เหรอ
ใช่
Hoi
from river แล้วก็ from farm ด้วย
Tama po ba? Meron din sa bukid. Kasi ang alam kong kuhol sa bukid, yung malobo, yung bilog. Tama ba? Itong dagdag, pang ilog lang.
if from farm we need to careful about the อะไรนะ chemical
The pesticide.
ใช่ then better in
Yeah,
the
that's
river
why it's better in your own farm.
Yes.
Because they know when you, last time you put the pesticide. That's why my father bring us to farm before. We are the pesticide. Kinukuha namin yung kuhol para hindi na siya mag-spray ng pesticide. O, di ba? Ang sarap.
อร่อย
More rice?
โอเค enough diet
Let's kinlen. Papakin natin.
กินเล่นนะ
Paramihan tayo ng daddy shell.
อย่างถ้าเกิดว่ารู้เล็กๆอย่างเงี้ย
Where is your the kuko? Takip.
ก็นี่ไงเดี๋ยวก็เลี้ยงเลย
Akala ko kinain. Ang galing.
อร่อยเนาะ
Pumapasok ka na muna. Nakakatakot.
You need more practice
Yeah. But other hoi, already natanggal na yung takip nila. Nasa soup na. May mapait, no? What's that?
ผมก็
Pupo.
ขี้ไง
The
Yeah.
pupo.
if we cut small นะ still have ขี้ that's why I need to cut like a two
Kaya pala nilakahan niya yung cut niya kanina. Pinapagalitan ko kasi
Estimate,
ubos na yung
It's
laman.
allow two step แล้วก็ cut จะได้ cut ขี้ไปด้วย
But I already make them poo for 2 days.
ไม่ได้
Not enough.
not enough จะต้อง cut ปุ๊บออก
Pero walang lasa, ha? Lasang malinis. It's, it tastes clean.
มีไหมเนี่ยในหม้ออ๋อมีนี่ยังไม่หมดเลยเนาะ
Maraming natira. Opo, ang daming natira. Check niyo yung kaldero.
อร่อยมาก
Sometimes we buy in the market.
อืม
The soup is very dark.
ใช่
Ang dark po pero ang sarap, ba't masarap na?
Masarap.
Look, pag sariling gawa, clear yung sabaw. That's why masarap higupin.
market have like a smell of สาหร่าย
Yes, malumot-lumot po siya.
ดูหมดด้วย
Di ba, kung sa field naman, natural, no? Nature. Natural na dumi.
ดูยากจังเลยโอเคแล้วพอแล้ว
Gumaling na ako. Ang sarap. Kung paborito nyo rin po ang kuhol o laddag, subukan nyo po yung recipe na ginawa ko, Thai style, ginataang kuhol. I'm sure magugustuhan nyo rin.
ให้เด็กๆกินข้าว
Aro, yan. Ang sarap. So, man may naiw, no?
ซดน้ำเลยเพราะเราทำสะอาด
Tita lang, mandamdam ting-ting. May